Ford Motor Company said today it reached an agreement with Tesla Motors that will provide Ford electric vehicle customers access to more than 12,000 Tesla Superchargers across the US and Canada, doubling the number of fast chargers available to Ford EV customers starting spring 2024. A Tesla-developed adapter will provide Ford F-150, Lightning, Mustang Mach-E, and E-Transit vehicles fitted with the combined charging system port access to Tesla's V3 Superchargers. Ford will equip future EV vehicles with the NACS charge port, removing the need for an adapter for direct access to Tesla Superchargers, starting in 2025. The BlueOval Charge Network is already North America's largest public charging network, with over 84,000 chargers, including access to over 10,000 public DC fast chargers. Adding more than 12,000 Tesla Superchargers creates the single largest integrated fast charge network across the US and Canada, designed to significantly reduce charge anxiety for Ford customers, with automatic routing to the nearest charger and seamless billing via Ford Pass. Additionally, Ford dealers are adding roughly 1,800 public-facing fast chargers and locations to the BlueOval Charge Network by early 2024.